Hello everyone. So I also started my journey with IJSE. Back then for me it was just completing a certificate, but after enrolling to IJSE with the generosity and also the way the lecturers imparted the knowledge they had, I think that's where I convinced myself to take that paradigm shift from leave everything behind that I've been doing and completely switching myself to be in the IT industry. I think that's where everything changed. But looking at the steps that I have taken, I think I'm very proud of how IJC had laid me the foundation to uplift where am I right now. Currently, I am in Canada and working for Mad Mobile as a senior tech lead, and also I am engaged with corporations such as UNDP Executive Office USA and also UN Women as a solutions architect. So all thanks to IJC. I think if I had not been enrolled to IJC, I won't be landing where I'm right now. So many thanks to the staff and also to everyone who helped me out to get where I'm today.
IJSE, Institute of Software Engineering. www.ijse.lk